Hello, this is Simon from Scotland, and thank you for joining me on this case study. In this case study, what we're going to do is I'm going to set up a sales funnel, which I've called the Commisson Accelerator, and this sales funnel is designed for people that have that are serious about making money online and actually want to make sales and things. And I say that because if you're serious about making money online, you wouldn't have any problem spending money or reinvesting the money back into the business. And that's how people make serious money online, is because they're happy to reinvest the money. And they may not necessarily take any money out of the business, but they just reinvest it and they scale up. And that's the reason for Commisson Accelerator. What we're going to do is we're going to join several programs that cost money, and some of the programs are traffic generation programs, and all this traffic is going to go to the actual Commisson Accelerator programs that I've researched on, and they pay commissions on that. So the commissions on that will pay for your membership in those sites. So eventually the Commisson Accelerator will not only will it be free because the profits that you'll be getting through the traffic methods will pay for everything, but you will also it's also on autopilot as well. So the traffic sources that we are using is a subscription service where you can get traffic every month. So basically all you have to do is just go in and test, check your stats, and just check everything once a week to make sure it's okay. And this is a case study based on an email I received from another internet marketer, and he this is something that he's done, and I wanted to try it, and that's really what we're going to do. Now it is going to cost about $150 maybe a month or something, but what I'm going to do in this case study is I'm actually going to record everything. So I'm going to record the expenditure, and I'm going to record the actual results as well. So everything is transparent, and it's I'm going to be transparent with you and show you exactly what's going to happen. So let me and we'll open up a new sheet, and we'll start making some notes on these programs before we actually get down to doing the actual sales funnel. Let's have an actual look at what it is we're actually doing here. So let's call this Commisson Commisson Accelerator. That didn't go well because I wasn't looking what I was doing. Let's try that again. So if you go up here, you can actually type something in, and that will be the name of the file. So we're going to call this Commisson Accelerator, and I'm going to make a little table, and we are going to do this live in real time, and I'm going to show you the results. Now this is for educational purposes. I can't make any income guarantees because I don't know your situation, and I don't know if you're going to do everything according to the script or not. So all I can do is just do a case study and show you what I've done, and hope that you, if you're interested, you would do exactly the same thing. But again, I can't guarantee anything because I don't know your situation. I don't know if you've got $150 a month to spend on this sales funnel. Now I don't know the exact amount yet because I'm assuming that some of these traffic methods are only $5 a month, but we'll go through it, and I'll explain everything. The first cost, so I'll put cost in this box here. So that's the cost of the and it'll be subscription based service. That's the cost. And then we've got the actual program or the service, and then you have got the commission. The commission for that program, So that's okay. So the first program we're going to use is called Leadsleap. Now, what's going to happen is I'm going to join various programs, and I'm not going to go into great depth initially about the programs because I don't want to overwhelm you and I don't want to confuse you. All we're going to do is set this up, and then once the Commisson Accelerator engine, if you like, is running, then what we can do is we can look into more detail about all the different programs that we're going to join, and then see what other options are available within the program in terms of traffic generation. Because each program does have its own things going on, and it's important not to get confused or overwhelmed. So it's just take the first thing that we can get out of it and then build on that. So the first program is Leadsleap. You've probably already got a Leadsleap account. Leadsleap is what we're going to use to host the sales funnel, because we're going to set up a sales funnel and we're going to drive traffic to the sales funnel. And then when people take action on this sales funnel, then that's how you're going to make commissions as well. Leadsleap is $27 a month. I think it's slightly cheaper if you sign up and pay for it straight away. It won't be $27. I think it's like $23 or $24 or something like that. The commission level is $13.50. So once you get one active person, it should pay for everything once we do the calculations. So Leadsleap is the first program we're going to join, because we need that to host the funnel. Marketing system. And with Prosperity Marketing System, it's $12 a month. And the commission, I think, is $12. I'm not sure, but let me put that in and I can change it if it's wrong. Now, the good thing about Prosperity is you don't actually have to do anything with this, other than just set it up and leave it. It's set and forget. The reason why it's on here is because the commission level on this is insane, and there is a video available. I'll leave a link in the for you, and you can watch the commission video, and it does actually explain that in more detail, and it is unbelievable. And the other good thing is it doesn't require any maintenance or any work. You just set it up and just forget about it. Once you promote the sales funnel, people will join under you, and as I said, it's set and forget. The next program is called Leadsleap. And that's $7 a month. Well, that's a one-off payment of $7 actually. That's a one-off payment of $7, and the commissions are $7. So you actually make your money back, and then after that you will generate more income from that. With Leadsleap, there are other ways you can promote that. There are upgrades and things, and I would only encourage you to upgrade once you start making money with the initial sales funnel, and it's a reinvestment upgrade. That's what I would do. All these things are reinvestment opportunities, but we have to set the sales funnel up first. The next program we are going to sign up for is called Affiliate Mentor, and that's $25 a month. And the commission level is $25 a month, but there are opportunities to make more money with this, depending on the amount of people that sign up. Okay, so that's the oh yeah, the other one is Sparky AI. And Sparky AI is $50 a month. It depends. There's different upgrade options, but I went for the $50 a month one, which gives me 100 leads, and none of them have actually converted yet. So, and I don't know what the commission is. The commission on Spark AI is going to vary because it depends on if anybody buys any packages. It's based on an ad pack thing or membership commissions and things. So we'll leave that commission box for now. So that's the main programs. The next thing we have to do is get the traffic to this funnel. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to create videos for this whole training thing, and this is what you're probably watching now is one of the introduction video, and I'm going to explain the whole commission accelerator. Then I'll explain the actual sales funnel, how that works. So this is the traffic methods. They're all going to cost $5 a month. The first one is the click generator. $5 a month. There are opportunities to pay annual memberships or memberships for 6 months or something, I think. And that's another way you can get commissions. What I love about this traffic source is it's a recurring commission. So you will get the, I don't actually know what the commission level was for. I think it was $4 or something. I'm going to leave them blank for now, and then when the commissions come in, then I can get a better picture of how much the actual commission is. It varies. So that's the first one. The next one is the easy clicks, and that's $5 a month as well. And the next traffic source is Traffic Blaster. These all cost $5 a month, but when someone signs under you, you only need one person for this to be free. So eventually all these things will be free. The buyer click system, that's $5 a month. And then we've got the click. Right, now we've got another one called My Lead Gen Secret. You've probably heard of that. My Lead Gen Secret. And that's $30 a month. And I will put the actual commission level in that later. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to join these programs. Well, I've joined some of them already, and I'm going to create a sales funnel or a training program around it, and we're going to promote the training program, and people are going to join under me, and that's how I'm going to make commissions. So we're going to use this traffic here, and that's going to feed all these programs here, and it's all going to be done through the training program that I'm going to create. Now the training program is very easy to make because the template's already been set up. All we have to do is make the videos and add the videos to the actual training page. Now you don't need to do all that. You don't actually need to do all that because I've done all that for you. All you have to do is sign up for these programs. And watch the videos, sign up for the programs, and then promote the program, the main sales page. And when I say promote it, I mean go into these different programs and sign up for an account, and then promote the Commission Accelerator sales funnel in each of these programs. With Spark AI, for example, you can promote 2 programs. So you can actually promote whatever your business opportunity that you're promoting at the moment, and this program as well. Or the other option would be to add your own business program to this list, providing it matches. If it's a traffic program, and it matches what we're doing here. So that's really what we're going to do. We may build our list as well because that's important, but yeah, we probably should build our list at the same time because not everybody's going to join straight away. So it's straightforward enough to do that. And that's really the Commisson Accelerator in a nutshell. I'm going to go through this and I'm going to join the programs and we're going to promote all these different programs. Now, if none of this makes sense, don't worry, just go through the training courses and I'll explain everything in each of the video lessons. Today's video was just a brief overview of this case study and what I'm going to do, why I'm doing it, and hopefully you can join with me if you're interested or not. And I'll see you in the second video where we start to set up the funnel. Join me in the next video where we will start to set up the funnel. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.